Hello there, it's a brand new day and a video. Welcome to Craft World YouTube channel. Now in this video session we're going to be looking at how to secure your WordPress website from hackers using two hidden methods. The method I'm going to be showing you are two of the exact ways that I've actually used to secure my own website and those of my clients from hackers. Now, know that securing your WordPress website is actually very important and critical for your website success. Why? Because if your WordPress site gets hacked, you will lose a lot of time, money, resources, content, and even drop in your SEO ranking. That I know you do not want. And basically, it doesn't actually stop at that. Other things that can happen include loss in your brand reputation, loss in customers' confidence in you, and even loss of your client's project. Imagine having a website up there on the internet and suddenly a hacker actually gain entry into it, deleting all your files or deleting all your files. What do you think is going to happen? Just imagine it. You don't want that, do you? Now you see why it is very critical to secure your website. Most hackers that actually hack into your WordPress website will use brutal force to force their way into your WordPress installation. And once there, they will actually wreak havoc. I mean, literally wreak havoc, either just for the fun of it or based on vendetta. Maybe they have something against you, but this is it. The bottom line is to keep your WordPress website safe and secure at all times. Now, the first method we're actually going to be using is changing your WordPress login URL using a plugin. Now, if you notice that most people log into the WordPress dashboard using, for example, your own domain and putting a slash, then WP-admin as shown here, WP-admin. Now, this is a very common login URL, and once you use this, I tell you, it gives hackers the leverage to actually discover your password using brute force attack or any other malicious means. But what if you could change it? Use a different method to actually log into your a different method to log into your WordPress dashboard. So that's what I'm going to show you in this first method. And before delve in, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, like this video and share with someone. Also, hit the notification button so that you can get you can know whenever we upload new videos. Now we're going to log in into our WordPress dashboard. So once you're there, click on plugin and click on the add new um, plugin. So the next thing you want to do is come here and type in hide plugin. So you have WPS hide login here. This is basically what we're actually looking for. This is the plugin we're looking for. It has more than 1 million active installations and 2,040 5-star. So it's actually a plugin to try. So go ahead and click on install now and click on activate to activate it. So the next thing you want to do is scroll down to see if it is activated. There is it here, WPS hide login. So what you want to do now is click on settings. Settings under the WPS hide login. So it brings you here. Now, is it here? Now, under this place, you have login URL. So here, it's actually giving you the option to change your login URL. Now, normally you're going to have you have a WP admin here. So we're going to be changing that now. So for this tutorial, I'm going to be using something like Secret Cafe. Now, Secret Cafe. Then, so primarily this should be my login. This should be my login. Secret Cafe. Then, if someone tries to use a WP-admin slash WP-admin, This a redirection you automatically creates this a fork page that is going to redirect whoever wants to force his or herself into your WordPress dashboard. So it automatically creates this and redirect the hacker to this particular page. So once you use this, it actually prevent anyone from actually changing and logging into your WP login .php page, and it actually keeps your WordPress website safe. So once you're done with this, go ahead and you click on save. So um, that's it. That's all you're required to do, and we actually just run off the first part of the tutorial. So let's move to the second part. Let's actually try to use this and see what happens here. So it means that I'm going to type in this now, and then click on copy and enter the secret cafe. So let's do that to see what happens. Have the secret um, cafe. So click on enter. So that's what happens. It's already so cannot log in, but then let's change. Let's try something else. So I advise that you actually log out from the main page first. Let's try to log out. Let's try to log out and then to see if what we've done here actually have worked. So let's log out completely. So let's try entering that and let's see what will happen now. So here type in WP minus admin, click on the enter button. So this is what happens. Take cross here. Try to log in. So I'm in now. That's it. So basically, let's move to the second part of it. Now, the second method is actually keeping your WordPress plugins and themes up to date. Most of us are actually guilty of not keeping them up to date, either due to sheer negligence or just too lazy to do it. And I tell you, updating your WordPress plugin as that when due is actually very important, as it closes the gap between hackers that hackers will have to actually hack into your website or blog. Now, most hacking done on WordPress has to do with the owners of the site not actually updating their plugins. Hackers love it when you do not update the plugin. So please update your plugin as at when due, because when you don't, you actually give hackers the leverage to actually do their dirty work on your website. So updating plugins and theme is fairly actually a very simple task to achieve and will not actually take you more than minutes to accomplish. Though it all depends on the strength of your internet connectivity anyway. So all you need to do is to log in into your WordPress dashboard, click on plugins, and check the ones that need updating. Let me quickly show you how to go about that if you don't know. I'm here after clicking on the plugins. So I need to scroll down and see. So once you see this, you know that they're not actually, this plugin actually require updating. So all I need to do is click on update now. So while waiting for that, I'm going to scroll down again to see if there's anyone. So there's another one. There's another one here. So I click on updating too. So just hold on. Scroll back to see the first one. So still updated. So once you show this message updated, that means it has been updated. So I mean that is done. So start the template. Let's see. Still updated. So that's done. So basically, that's all that you actually need to do. The two things basically that you need to do to actually keep your WordPress site away and out of the way, completely out of the way of hackers. In conclusion, I need to actually tell you that your WordPress site security is something that you should never overlook. You should have a plan of what security measure that you want to implement in your WordPress website or blog even before purchasing the domain name and hosting. Thank you for staying to the end of this tutorial video. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel, share this and like this video, and also hit the notification bell. Do not forget to share, because there's someone out there that actually needs the information contained in this video tutorial. Thank you for watching. Till another time.